Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit that subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. It's responsible for bone growth, blood clotting, muscle functions, and is crucial for healthy kidney function. Most people resort to dairy products to get their daily dose of calcium because that's all they know. Calcium has been marketed to the masses via milk ads and other forms of dairy, but these dairy products could be crippling your health more than you know. Today, we're going to be covering calcium and the different ways to get the proper amount on the vegan diet. Let's dive into the lesson. When you obtain calcium from the plant world, you also get a boatload of other nutrients like magnesium, potassium, vitamins A and C, zinc, iron, and many others that help the body function optimally. Additionally, when you get your calcium from plant-based sources, you reduce your risk of developing diabetes, heart disease, breast, and colon cancer. The best part about all the foods listed below is that they also contain vitamin D, which helps the body efficiently absorb and use calcium. In fact, the body can't absorb calcium without vitamin D at all. Eat these foods to get both nutrients and more. Kale. Did you know that 4 cups of kale has more calcium than a glass of milk? That really gives you some motivation to eat your greens. Kale is also rich in vitamin K, which supports bone health. Oranges. Oranges are known for their vitamin C content, but that isn't the only nutrient they have. One navel orange contains 60 milligrams of calcium, and you can freshly squeeze them or eat them out of hand to obtain that calcium. Beet greens. Most people throw away beet greens and solely use the beetroot. Stop throwing away those greens because they're packed with protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and manganese. Additionally, they are low in fat and can help lower cholesterol levels. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious, heart-healthy food. They're a great protein source that can help sustain you for long periods of time, and one serving contains 80 milligrams of calcium. You can eat almonds to help lower your blood pressure and keep you feeling full, which can reduce unhealthy cravings and snacking. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is great for strengthening your bones because it helps the body absorb calcium. It also supports healthy bone structure, and it can increase the density of the spinal column. Eating this winter squash can also help decrease the risk of osteoporosis. Spinach. Spinach is very rich in calcium, containing 245 milligrams per cup. While boiling or sautéing spinach is a great way to consume this leafy green, you can reap more of its benefits by consuming it in its raw form. Okra. When it comes to cooking okra, a lot of people resort to frying it. This negates all of the health properties it has. Since it has 172 milligrams of calcium per cup, it's best not to cook the nutrients out of it. You can roast it, boil it, grill it, or sauté it with a little olive oil, sea salt, and pepper. BLACKSTRAP molasses. Rather than using artificial sweeteners or lots of sugar, get your calcium on by using BLACKSTRAP molasses to sweeten teas or sauces. 1 tablespoon of this stuff has 137 milligrams of calcium, and it contains a lot of iron, so it's a great item to include in your diet. Calcium is yet another essential mineral for your body. You can get a copious amount with plenty of foods that are both delicious and compatible with the vegan diet. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.